Now that we're beginning to pull out factors and in attempt to finding the greatest common factor, let's introduce here variables. So can we apply the principles of the greatest common factor to variables? Yes, we can. So variables and GCF. For example, we have 3x squared over 9x to the fourth power. So we're going to attempt to find the greatest common factor. Let's continue on here. So first things first, let's write the equation down. 3x squared over 9x to the fourth power. Let's evaluate the 3 and the 9 first, the constants. Alright, so 3, well, we could break this down into 1 times 3. And then we have the 9. The 9 is going to break down to 3 times 3. We'll leave it there for the moment. Let's start breaking down the x's here. So we could write 3 times x over 9 times x times x times x times x. Alright, so now here we have 3 times x, and if we notice here, we have these variables here, so x times x on the numerator and the denominator, making it a greatest common variable, so to say. Now let's rewrite this entire thing as 1 times 3 times x over 3 times 3 times x times x times x times x. Alright, and let's find the constants here. Well, I can see 3 terms here. So 3 times x are common in the numerator and the denominator. Let's pull this out, okay, because we know c over c equals 1, and that can simply just cross out, and when we pull it out, we're going to write 3 times x equals 3x squared. So the greatest common factor is 3x squared.